Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a review on Bakery on Maine's gluten-free and dairy-free granola, as you can see there. This is their Nutty Cranberry Maple. Let's take a look at the ingredients, guys. There you go, if you guys want to read it, pause it. And here's the sugar and nutrient panel. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Alright, there we go. And that's what it looks like. It's very similar to all the other ones, but let's see. This one is, I find it slightly sweeter, probably because of the maple. And the cranberries are, I think I see one right there. So if you like the granola that this, that is gluten-free, and if you've tried this, this one is pretty similar to all the rest. It just has cranberries. My favorite still is the apple raisin walnut. Alright, if you have any questions, comments, post them below.